magla-lunch po kami and dahil may pupuntahan kami mamaya, in-invite kami ng mother-in-law ko na mag-grill sa kanila this evening, magdi-dinner, early dinner. So, kakainin ko ngayon is kanin and meron ako ditong sardinas from Germany and sardinas from Philippines. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung mas masarap. And meron ako ditong kamatis na nilagyan ko ng alamang. So, iba yung pagkain niya, salad, tsaka yung ano. So, dahil gusto ko daw ang sardinas, try ko daw yung sardinas ng Germany. Yung kung saan siya pinagawa. So, try natin. Maliit lang tong kinuha niya kasi ano, para sa akin lang daw. Try ko da. So, lemon flavor po siya. And this is, ganito siya sa loob. Mayroon siyang lemon sa loob. Tas may oil siya. Kasi ito is fried sardines with tausi naman. So, try natin. So, very white siya. And then ito is may cream. So, tikman natin.
Can show it?
Okay. Let's try this for... I can eat the oil? Walang lasa yung oil. Yung lemon ayaw kong kainin. Parang masarap naman siya. So, ayan. Maglagay tayo ng dalawa and then yung oil niya. Lagay natin siya tissue kasi makalat. So, pagkain niya is salad and meron siya nito. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag ito. Kinodel. Pinakulo lang niya sa ano. Ayan. Ito yung pagkain niya. Iyo. Hindi ko alam anong lasa. Tingnan ko kung anong lasa.
You didn't try yet and you already say ew.
Parang yung bread na. Tapos ito, maglagay dito sa kabila ng ano. Yung may tausi na fried sardines. Ayan, messy naman. So, ayan. So, tignan natin kung ano yung mas masarap. Ito or yung... Kasi syempre ito alam ko na yung lasa nito. Yung makain ako nito sa Pinas. Favorite ko to, tausi. So, tignan natin. Guten Appetit!
Guten Appetit!
Okay. Wala siyang t-shirt. T-shirtless siya kaya hindi ko siya i-video. Tignan ko muna yung galing sa Germany. Yeah. Lasang-lasa mo yung lemon niya.
Try here, Papa Chucho.
I tried it.
A little piece, yeah. Like nothing.
It's like bread. Okay sa akin.
You eat that usually with some kind of, for example, what's the name?
What?
Goulash. It will fit very well.
Then we should eat that tomorrow. On Monday.
Sauce, choo-choo stuff.
Yung mega, ano siya, manamis-tamis siya. Ito, medyo maasim siya na salty. Masarap siya. Gusto ko siya. I like the sardines.
Good?
Nothing special, but I like it.
They're not ew. Sehr gut.
Kinuhanan niya ako ng 3 flavor. Yung maliit lang kasi para ito i-try ko. Kasi may mas malaking version dyan. Mayroong, yung isa is spicy, yung isa is tomato sauce, I guess. Wow, sarap. Yan. May lychee juice tayo dito. Oh. You like it? Your food?
Mm-hmm.
Sure. Yung lasa ng sardinas, of course, lasang sardinas. Pero yung sauce niya, mas gusto ko yung sauce nitong Mega. But I like the sauce of this one better.
Yeah, that's the reason I got 3 different ones.
Wanna try it?
Mm-mm.
Hmm? Mm-hmm.
I'm not so the sardines choo-choo.
Okay.
I like it on a pizza, it's okay, but like that.
You're eating it with the sauce, with the chuchu nga eh. Ay, yung isa pala is sunflower. Dahil ako lang naman kakain, so for sure, ubusin ko to. I don't like the oil. It's okay, but it's very oily, so.
Yeah, that's usually oil, it's oily.
Mm-hmm. Namiss ko talaga nito, ang sarap. Mm-hmm. The salad is okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
That tastes good.
This is from Germany? Made by Germany or no?
Of this to read.
Okay, that's it. Bawal will gonna drop. Pero binili kasi namin siya, malay mo kung hindi naman talaga product ng Germany, di ba? Kahit doon namin nabili. Kasi walang salt water dito. Yung mga ano lang, lake. Kaya hindi masarap yung mga isda dito. Walang lasa. Not unlike sa Pinas. Galing talaga siya sa dagat.
Yeah, that's the issue. In Switzerland, no salt water.
No salt water. Kaya mas masarap yung lasa nito. Pero ewan ko, parang ang tamis niya. Ang tamis ng nito. Ay, ganun ba? O nang tagal ko lang na hindi na. Matagal na ako na hindi nakakain. Parang sobrang matamis siya. Naubos ko.
But in Germany, there is salt water.
There is?
There is, yeah.
Only in Switzerland. Here in Switzerland, no salt water.
Mm-mm.
Okay. I like it. It is spicy, this one. Yung alam mo, ang anghang. You can finish that. Don't eat it all.
One more?
Eat it in the evening or tomorrow. I'm full na, no?
You need to try it like this.
No, babe.
No, just try.
I tried it na.
With some choo-choo there. Sauce. It's different. You need to take the whole. The sauce is on the back.
No, it's not. It's more for you. Paparami na naman ng kain ko nito.
Powder. Crumbs. Hmm?
Magkaiba kami ng kinakain. So no choice, so ubusin ko to. Hello, naubos ko yung 2 lata ng sardinas. I finish it. Kasi matagal ko na itong gustong kainin, try. Kaya lang, wala pa akong chance na kainin. So ngayon, dahil di namin alam kung kakainin namin. Itong kakainin ko. And ayaw niya. Don't you wanna try this? You let me try that now?
Aber keine Tomate.
Okay. Just try if you like the taste. How was it? You like it?
Tastes like sardine.
Of course. It wasn't written naman if it's from Philippines. It's Denmark naman. Import.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Ayaw niya ng tomate kasi hindi siya kumakain ng fresh tomate. Ay, tomato.
They understand tomato. It's so similar, it's easy.
Sarap. Busog na ako. Pero mas match yung lasa ng kamatis tsaka alamang dun sa isa. Kasi ito matamis eh. Don't eat that all. Kalat. Oh, I didn't finish my rice.
Problem is it goes back to hard, to crumbly.
Okay. Busog na ako. Busog na ako. Naggamit ako nito kasi maglalasang araw yung kamay ko pag nagkamay ako. May pupuntahan kayo mamaya. I will brush later. Ubusin ko na nga lang. Oh! I'm full. No more. Ay. Busog na po. Bye.